Welcome back to my channel. I am trying out a new angle of vlogging today. What do you guys think about it? So I'm currently on the way to fix a new horn and a spotlight of my bike at Pudu, and I'm doing so because the current horn just sounds like, kapsai horn. It's too soft, I don't really like it, and the spotlight, something's wrong with the wiring, I need to fix it. So let's come with me to QQQ Audio World. Here we are at QQQ Audio World. I came all the way to Pudu for the good reputation of neat wiring works. A bit of background about them. They have been in the business of car audio system for ages, but has only started to work with bikes for 2 years now. Why? I'll leave the storytelling to the boss.
天本是没有做摩托的，就全部朋友都骑摩托。但他们很多，他们去那些摩托店做啊，他们的瓦力很差，所以每次做了不好就叫我来帮他做。我讲我不如自己做。是哦。瓦力你要做到好，你就没有这么多问题了。如果做不好啊，等下你要 checking 啊或者什么问题的时候，你就麻烦了。
Look at Sifu's work. His wiring is neater than my room. Their work really stands up to their good names. I'm really glad that I found them. Next, spotlight. I wanted a pair of spotlight on my Sengets crash bar, which is angled like this. That makes it pretty hard to find one. And Sifu is here to the rescue. All good. Now the spotlight is even in sync with my high beam. Things went all good until we found this. Are there bees inside? Hi. Oh shit. Oh my god. Really?
Okay. 是大只的，因为它是冻江大个。
是不是？Oh my god. 那个 video 留言先。That was it. Successfully had my bike horn and spotlight upgraded at QQQ Audio World. The price is super reasonable and their works are tip top, so highly recommend this place to you guys. If you guys are interested to check them out, I'll leave their link in the description box below.
Wow, thank you, Sifu. 帅嘞。
So that's it for my vlog today. If you guys enjoy watching this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell to show some support. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!